Did you guys hear that? YouTube world? He was like, wow. Yeah.
What's happening, Crackamaniacs? Dr. Tirado here, and I'm here with the lovely Mrs. Tirado. We haven't done a video on her in quite some time, and so, well, let's take advantage of it right now. Now that we've got her here, let's get her adjusted. You guys get a chance to watch. You all set?
Yep.
All right, cool. Let's loosen her up with the massager.
Can I put my hair up?
The old Ekrin, good old Ekrin, B37, fantastic machine. All right, we're gonna loosen up her shoulders first. Bring me your arm. Start right inside here.
Oh, that's great.
That's what?
That's great.
Feels good?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay. If you don't have one of these Ekrins at home, you got to buy it. They're absolutely great. I recommend them.
Me.
And I use these all day on my patients, and these things are like a workhorse. They really get deep inside those muscles and really break up that scar tissue. They feel fantastic. Hits those trigger points and just really gets those muscles to relax.
I'm just gonna make the chichos.
Okay. Come right back and drop your arm. Lean your head to the left.
Oh, that's the part I'm having trouble with.
Yeah, a little tight inside there. Okay, so when it's really tight in there, we just kind of kick it up a notch. Here we go. Look down. Stretch the muscle. Get the deltoid, get the lat muscle inside here, the rhomboid muscles, trapezius muscles. All inside there, nice and deep. Muscle just melts away these tight muscles.
The fat?
Machine melts away these tight muscles like a hot knife through butter. Okay, let's check this side.
Oh.
Okay, and just relax inside here.
Okay.
Okay, so we come right over here. Okay, bring your arm down. Lean your head to the right.
Oh, that one's real tight.
Oh, that is
oh
tight.
my
That's
gosh.
Tight. That's tight. Turn your head to the right a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, straight ahead. Okay.
Oh, that was great.
Okay, we're just going to do some tapping. I want you to turn your head to the right, just like that. Just going to loosen up the cervical spine a bit. Okay, turn your head to the right a little more. Good. Look up a little bit. That's it. Bring your head straight ahead, look straight ahead, and relax. Good. Bring this arm back like that, kick it back like that. Up a little bit. Good, look straight ahead. Good, bring it right back down. Good. Turn your head to the left, please. Good, stay right there, hold it. Look straight ahead. So we do that because the cervical spine gets locked up. When it gets locked up, before you adjust it, you can gently just tap it like this. It kind of unlocks it, loosens up the cervical spine. So when you do the adjustment, you don't have to do an adjustment so hard. Take this right on, bring it right back down. Good. Same thing with the shoulder joints. Good, bring your arm down. Relax here a little bit. Just let the shoulder just drop, nice and easy. Good. Just gonna come in. Good. On this side. And just let it drop, nice and easy. Good. Good. Just relax inside here. Good. Just gonna lean you to the left. Lean you to the right.
Oh, that one's so stiff.
It is. Okay.
That
Let's
one
come
got
on this
old.
side.
This side got very old.
Come on this side. Just relax nice and easy. Beautiful shirt.
Oh,
Beautiful shirt.
thanks.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Ooh.
Good. Just relax here. Good. Same thing here. Just relax the elbow.
Wait.
It's all right.
Okay.
Good. Just relax. Let it go. Mm-hmm. Easy.
Okay.
Good. Excellent. Swing your legs right over there. We'll do a little twisting on the
It's
bottom.
like a straddle.
Yeah, straddle the table. Move up a little bit. Even more. And a drop more.
And
Drop more. Come across here.
maybe.
Okay, I'm going to come underneath here. Rotate left a little bit. Okay, we need to breathe in very deep. Twist left. Breathe out. Good.
Yeah. Oh,
You're a little tight in there, huh?
yeah. What happened?
I don't know. Rotate right a little bit. Breathe in. Twist right. Breathe out. Good.
Oh, good.
Good. Very good.
That was a really good one.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I want you to lay down on your side and face rest your head here.
That would be my ponytail.
Do-do-do-do-do. She's got her Michael Jackson pants on.
I do. The Thriller? No. Which one? Billie Jean pants. No.
Billie Jean,
Is this Billie Jean? What video?
gonna bend this.
YouTube world, tell us what pants, what video it was.
Good. Just let your body fall forward a little bit. Relax your shoulders. A little bit more. Good. Good. Go on the other side. Okay. Turn you a little bit.
Patonk. That's a new word. Should I say my other new word?
No.
Seriously?
Relax. What are you doing with your shoulder? Good.
Hard to
Hold on.
breathe. My
Right.
God.
Lay on your back.
Hey, my pants going off. It's so funny.
Okay, take your shoes off.
Oh! Oh, look at the socks are disappearing. No, I got bleach on.
It's alright.
I'm sorry, they might be sweaty.
Shh. Good. Okay. Relax your feet. Good. These toes don't want to go anywhere. There we go.
Oh my God.
Same thing here. Relax your foot. A little more. Good. Relax.
Oh,
Good.
oh.
It's alright. Good. Let it go. Let it drop. Good. A little more. Good.
Oh, my goodness.
Let it go. And here.
Oh, that one was, I like that one. The
You like
fat
that one?
And that was the one that didn't hurt. The other ones were a little sad.
Good. Right there. Right back there. Let me grab my chair.
Wait, let's not get the hair caught in there.
Slide up a little bit. That's cool.
Can I take my earrings off?
You don't have to. Relax a little bit. No. Just let it go.
Whoa. Did you guys hear that? YouTube world? It was like, wow.
Let it go. One more. One more. Good. Right there. Good. Breathe in deep.
Just gave me a facelift too.
There we go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
All right, Crackmaniacs, all done. Just finished up with the adjustment on the missus. It's been a couple weeks since we've adjusted her, so I'm kind of glad that you guys were here to actually be able to see her, get her adjusted. So how'd we do?
Great.
How you
Let me
feeling?
see. Oh gosh. Wow.
Like a new person?
Yeah. I'm
All
really
right.
stiff.
So Dr. Tirado still has it?
Still does.
Dr. Tirado still has it. All right, Crackmaniacs, love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. We wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So thank you for being a fan, and thank you for just being loyal fans.
Thank you.
Love you guys. Take care. Peace.
Amen.
Click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.